Okay, today we're going to talk about income formulas and how that works according to your pay. Now, these are just basics and does not prescribe to every single income, but it gets pretty close on some. All right, so for example, here, hours worked times hourly wage, that's your basic gross income. Gross income is defined as earnings before deductions. Now, let's say you work overtime pay. And it's based on the week. Some are 40 hours per week, some are 80 hours per paycheck, depending on for whom you work. So let's just say it's a 40-hour week. So you do 40 times the hourly wage plus 1.5 times your overtime hours times your hourly wage. And that gives you your weekly gross pay with overtime. Again, if that were 80, 2 weeks, it'd be 80 times hourly wage. Now your gross income minus your deductions, and notice I didn't say taxes because not everything is a tax that's deducted, is your net pay. So your net pay is classified as earnings after deductions, or what we call take-home pay. 0.062 times gross pay is your Social Security deduction because Social Security is 6.2% of your income. 0.0145 times gross pay is your Medicare. So as Medicare is 1.45%. And whatever federal tax bracket that you are in times your gross pay is your federal withholdings. Now, if you add numbers 4, 5, and 6 together, that gives you your deductions for the taxes. And if that's all you have deducted, well, then that would be your deduction from the taxes. So let's do an example. So let's say Mason earns $11.50 an hour. So we're going to find the gross pay. So that's 11.50. And he works 76 hours last pay period, so 76. So 11.5 times 76. That equals $874. So let's take that 874. So that's just gross pay times 0.062. So that gives us 54.188, which will round to $54.19 deductions. Okay. So Medicare will do 874 times 0.0145. That gives us 12.673, which is $12.67. Now she was placed in a Mason, he was placed in a 12.5% bracket. So that's 0.125 times 874. So 874 times 0.125, and that gives us $109.25. So if we add those total deductions together, so 109.25 plus 54.19 plus 12.67, and that gives us $176.11 take home. So, total deduction. So in this case, it was taxes. So let's take the $874 of gross minus the 176.11, and that gives us a take-home pay of $697.89. That's just the basics. So that would be Mason's net pay. All right, so let's compare that to Olivia, her gross pay. Now, here's the difference. Olivia, we're not comparing men versus women working, we're just, for example, so let's not go crazy. Okay, so Olivia worked 47 hours one week and 52 hours the next week. So her gross pay. So her gross pay will be, since she worked 99 hours, so she worked 99 hours minus the 80, so that equals 19 hours overtime hours. So we're going to do So this becomes 80, and she's making $16.40 an hour, $16.40 times 1640 plus, let's get technical challenge here. Okay, so 1.5 because it's time and a half. Now her 19 hours overtime times her $16.40 per hour. Okay, so the 80 times 16.4 is 1,312. And then the 1.5 times 19 times the 16.4 is $467.40, which gives us a gross total of $1,779.40. Now you notice the hourly pay is just, it's almost $5 per more, $4.90. But the overtime pay is what makes the difference here. As you see, the gross pay is more than double, or about, yes, it's about double. So there we go. So Social Security is the 0.062 times the 1,779.4. So that gives us $110.3228, which of course we only have 2 decimals in money. So $110.32. Medicare, going back to that, 0.0145 times 1,779.4. And type this in my calculator, off screen. That gives us 25.8013. Which rounds to $25.80. And so with this place, they're in a 15% tax bracket. So we're going to do 0.15 times. Now, I just made that number up for example. Maybe right, maybe wrong. It's just an example. So 0.15 times 1,779.4 equals $266.91. Okay, so total deductions, 266.91 plus 25.80 plus 110.32 equals $403.03. So the net pay will be the 1,779.4 minus the 403.03. And that will equal $1,376.37. I did it again. Okay, there we go. So these are your formulas. These are examples of how income formulas work with tax deductions. Now these are just, and we call it, deductions could also be anything. If you have a Medicare, you pay for your medical insurance, if you pay for union dues or any other deductions taken out. But these are just examples. I hope they help. And that is income formulas. Thank you.